Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube Edmond FLE, français langue étrangère. Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler de la différence d'emploi entre tu et vous. So I know that for the beginners, it's kind of tricky, this question about the difference that we are doing between the use of tu and vous. During a conversation. When exactly do we use it? When are we authorized to switch from vous to tu? So I'm going to explain it to you. So, first we are going to speak about tu. So generally speaking, the rule is the following. So normally we use tu when we are talking to friends or family, etc., or people that we know for quite a long time. The other option is the vous. So the vous is, we are using it in two different cases. The first one is if we are talking about, for example, some people in a shop. By default, you will have to use vous instead of tu, which would show a little bit of respect toward the people you are talking to, and showing also at the same time that the job that they are doing is quite important. Because if you were to use tu instead, it would give the impression that you are seeing them from a different point of view, meaning that you have a higher level than they have, and that you don't show any respect toward their work. So that means that in any case, whenever you're going to a shop or a cafe, in any case, you have to use vous all the time. So same thing as for the job position. If you are talking to someone higher in the hierarchy, in this case, you also have to use vous to show respect toward this person. And so that's for the first case that we are using vous. The second case is that we are also using vous in the meaning of the plural in this case. So meaning that in this case, it's pretty vague if we are actually using tu with this person, with those persons, sorry, or vous, same thing to various people. So that's a kind of tip that I can give you in the case that you don't know exactly how you should address to some people that you are talking to. You can use this version, which is vous, meaning the plural. So in this case, the people won't know exactly if you are using tu or vous with them. So that's quite a good advice that I can give to you. So there are also some situations where the people will tell you clearly if they don't want you to use vous with them, but they prefer instead that you use tu. So for that, actually, we have two verbs that don't exist, of course, in English. So we have the verb vous voyez, so meaning using vous with the person versus the other one, which is tutoyer. So tutoyer, of course, means the fact to use tu with somebody. So as I was telling you, in the case that the people prefer for them to use tu when you are talking to them, they will let you know by using this magical sentence, which is tu peux me tutoyer. So literally, you can use tu with me. So that's something that we use when we are feeling uncomfortable with the fact that you are using vous with us. Why is that? Because sometimes, of course, the fact to use vous with somebody is to show respect toward this person, but at the same time, it puts a kind of distance between the people. So meaning that if you know somebody for quite a long time, they will have a tendency to switch to tu because they feel more comfortable with you, and this kind of barrier between the two people will just collapse. Okay, so globally, let's review a little bit everything that I told you. So first case, the case of tu is when you are talking to somebody, a friend, for example, or someone from your family. So this is the first case for tu. And the second case is for vous. So vous, you are using it, for example, if you go to a shop, to a cafe, to whatever commercial place you are going to show respect toward the people that you are talking to. And the second possibility when you are using vous also is if you are doing a job where you have someone higher than you, and to show respect, same thing, you will have to use vous. And finally, what I was just talking about before is the case that you are talking to more than one person. So in the case of two, for example, in this case, you will have to use vous, which is the plural version of tu. And so in this case, the people won't know exactly if you are using tu or if you are using vous, as you are using the plural version. So that's it for the little explanation between tu and vous. And so if you have some more questions, some things that are not really clear about it, don't hesitate to comment down below. And of course, if you've liked this video, don't hesitate to send me a little like. And in the case, of course, that you want to take some private lessons with me through Skype, in this case, you can contact me directly on this link, www.edmondfle.com, and I would be delighted to give you some more explanation. So that's all for today. So I'm telling you merci beaucoup for following this video, and je vous dis à très bientôt. Bye bye.